Whether you're a digital nomad, remote worker, or any breathing creature that works with a laptop, as you spend lots of hours of the day sitting down, there's a high chance of feeling body pain if you haven't really taken care of your posture. Just look around your favorite co-working space or coffee shop and you'll see plenty of people hunching over as they use the devices. If we don't do something about it, we might run into an epidemic of bad posture. The main problem is the laptops weren't originally designed as the way that we're using them. The word laptops derived from the top of your lap, which means we should be using them like this, but this is not a common position. Maybe it was meant for something like this, where the computer is on my lap, the screen is eye level, it's comfortable enough to write. But then again, we don't stay often in this position. So if you care about your body, let me give you some ergonomic advices that I applied for years to work pain-free. First, to lay down your computer, you'll need to find a flat table like this one, similar as the one you've seen in many work-from-home setups. Just make sure it's spacious enough to add all your computer gear. Next, the top of your screen should have the same height horizontally as your eyes. In order to do so, you will need a laptop stand, just like this one that is lightweight and very easy to set up. Just open up, put the computer, and that's it. But still, this is not ergonomic as the position of the keyboard will make you lean forward and curve your hands upward, and in the long run, this position will be very uncomfortable. The solution is to add an extra keyboard. And I know, it looks ridiculous to have two at the same time, but it's just the way it goes. Lastly, you will need a peripheral for scrolling, so you can add either a trackpad or a mouse, which is what I use, and this will be your basic setup for better ergonomics. Now, if you're gonna sit down for hours, you better put your ass in something comfortable, and better yet, ergonomic. Yes, I'm talking about those chairs that you see in co-working spaces, work from home setups, or even gamers. These chairs help you keep a correct posture, which goes like this. You should relax your shoulders and open up your chest. Lean your back a little bit. Rest your elbows between 90 to 120 degrees angle. Keep your knees separated some centimeters away from the chair, and maintain your feet flat. Following these guidelines, you'll soon realize how important is the ergonomic of a basic furniture like a chair. Another way of working that's getting popular is standing up. You can buy a height adjustable desk or just find any tall table to lay your laptop. Apply all the ergonomics principles I mentioned before and add a comfort mat if you feel tired after longer periods of work. Also, use some books if your table is not high enough. It's up to you whether you prefer to sit down or stand up whenever you work. I tend to vary, so I do around 70% just sitting down and the rest just standing up. Also, if you want to be precise on the dimensions, I'm gonna link down below my website where you type down your height and it will give you the ideal measurements for the height of the table, the distance of the screen, and also the distance of the chair. So it's pretty interesting. I know these kind of setups aren't accessible for everyone, especially for digital nomads that travel often. You don't have to sit perfectly like those ergonomic pictures, and it's okay if sometimes you work at a coffee shop only with a laptop. But as much as you can, try to keep the screen at eye level using the basic setup such as the laptop stand. It's important for your body to have a correct posture for most of the time you spend working, or else you will end up with a curved spine where you get older. I didn't want to talk about the gear that I use because this is not a sponsored video and you might not agree with some of the accessories. But if you want to see it though, I do have another video explaining all my work from home setup, and I will link down below all the gear that I have. But if you get the gist of the ergonomics that I explained here, please don't buy those mimic accessories that you'll see around the web. Most of them promise you to correct your posture when they still make you face down, hunch over, or cover your hands. I just hope this video helps you understand the importance of a good posture, because if you're gonna be working from your laptop every single day, you should take care of your body. So please share this to other remote workers who might need this information. But now, I gotta go back to work. And don't leave without subscribing to this YouTube channel if you wanna see more digital nomad content. See you in the next one, ciao.